Let's do some trader talk now with Joe Tigay. Joe, interesting market. It's been mostly up this week, but the VIX is up as well. What does that tell you?
Yeah, it's really interesting to watch. Of course, usually you expect the VIX to be down when the market is higher. Now, we've seen a lot of volatility this week already, and we saw an especially a lot of volatility last week. We saw big down moves followed by big up moves, and then rinse and repeat. So maybe it's not that surprising we're seeing this volatility stay high. Now, also, we're going to have some big events coming up. We have November coming up. We know the election in the United States is happening. The Fed is going to have their rate decision in November. And also, there's a lot of going around the world. This last week was maybe about England, but there's plenty of news going on in China and Japan, Europe broadly. So it makes sense that the market continues to be volatile and the VIX remains up.
Where do you see most of the money going, Joe?
Yeah, we're starting to see a little bit of movement into some value names. We're seeing some of the names like the staples like Coca-Cola and Pepsi have done well. The names that are maybe viewed a little more safer have done well. People are staying away from tech, especially as these interest rates keep on going up. That's going to hurt the growth companies more than the value companies.
Thanks, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.